Hello guys! In the previous videos we configured ESLint, Prettier, Jest and React testing library. Now our goal is to run the tests and lint the code before we commit our changes and push to GitHub or GitLab. Git hooks can help us to do that. There's pre-commit hook we can use, however you can't version Git hooks. So if you configure a Git hook, your coworker won't be able to get your setup when she pulls the repo locally. There's a package called Husky that will help us to configure our pre-commit hook and share with our coworkers. So let's install Husky in our Next.js project. We will install Husky using Yarn. If you are using NPM, the installation process will be a little bit different but still very straightforward. The link to Husky documentation is in the description of this video. Alright, let's do yarn add husky --dev. Now let's do yarn add pinst --dev. This package will help us run the post install hook for yarn. So now let's go to our package JSON and put the post install script in there. Post install, and we will do husky install. Now let's actually run this command, so we can do yarn husky install. Alright, husky hooks are installed. So now we need to create a hook. So we'll do yarn husky add dot husky pre-commit. So here we're adding husky pre-commit hook. We'll do yarn test. So we'll need to test our code. And yarn lint --fix. So we'll try to fix our problems with ESLint. And then if they're fixed, we'll do yarn add. And we'll just add everything. So this is how the pre-commit hook looks. Let's hit enter. And Husky created the pre-commit hook. So now we need to add and commit our changes. So we'll do git add, git commit -m installed Husky. As you can see, our code is already running our tests. Now let's go ahead and test our changes. So we first test ESLint, and to do so we're gonna disable our format and autosave. We will put false. Now we can go to our pages API hello.js, and we will remove the semicolon here and save our file. Since format and autosave is disabled, our file is not getting formatted. So right now we're gonna do git add, git commit -m, and we'll do ESLint test. So as you can see, first we run our tests, and now we're going to be running ESLint -fixed, and you can see the changes got fixed, and now our changes got also committed. Let's take a look at the tests. Let's try to fail one of the tests and see how this is going to go. But before doing that, let's turn on format and autosave. So we can go to our tests folder, and right here in the utils, let's make an, instead of false, we'll put true, and click save. Now let's stage and commit our changes. Fail test. Okay, now you can see our test failed, our change is not committed. Same happens when we have an ESLint failure that can be fixed as well. This is how you can use Husky to automate running your tests and linting your project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.